Hi, my name is Christopher Mason, Director at Cape Clear Island Distillery. Cape Clear Island is located 10 kilometers off the southwest coast of Ireland. We have a population of 130 people and only 7 students in our local school. We've been producing gin here since November 2019. Our gin is called 3 Square Miles. That's a reference to the landmass of our island. It's produced in small batches, and it uses locally harvested botanicals, including fuchsia, honeysuckle, and seaweed. Thank you for your time, and I look forward to speaking to you soon.